Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add plugins to your ChatGPTs. To get started, you first need to log into ChatGPT using your account in chatgpt.com. After you've opened ChatGPT on your browsers, you'll now see an option for Explore GPT in the top left corner of your browser. You simply need to click on Explore GPTs. To get started with any of the plugins, you now need to click on the selected plugin that you want to use. You can now see a brief description about the plugin, its rating, the category, and conversation it had so far. To get started with the plugin, you now need to click on Start Chat at the bottom of the page. And that's it, you've successfully added a new plugin to your ChatGPT account. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thank you for watching.